Welcome to Nick Jr.'s Gumball Game. Turn the handle and let's get this party poppin'.
And I'm Boots.
It's Boots.
All right.
Where are we going? Down the gumball machine.
Where do we go next?
Now we're bouncing off the spinners.
Uh-oh. Yay!
Muy bien. We did it.
Thanks for helping.
Great job, Boots.
Which numbered monster has the ball? Number 14. Yeah, that's Blobby.
Ooh.
Let's all say, we're not scared. We're not scared. Go, Boots, go! Gone! Woohoo! I scored a goal! I scored a goal against the monsters! Muy bien, Boots. Let's keep it going, team.
More gumballs. Let's see who's next. Who do you think this will be?
Let's dig it.
It's Rubble on the double.
I'm on it.
Digging through the tunnels. Bulldozing his way through the spinners.
Here comes Rubble on the double.
All right. Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Yes, I am officially worried now.
You're just in time. Park under Francois and raise the crane.
I'm there, Ryder.
Oh, crane! We'll get you down, Francois. Just hang on.
Hang on! Yes, that is an excellent idea.
Rubble, hurry. Almost got ya.
Can you be closer than almost? Too late.
Gotcha.
Woohoo! Yay! Nice grab, Rubble.
Which friend do you think will roll out next? Uh-oh! It's Crusher! No cheating, Crusher!
See you later, slowpokes!
He's crushing it! Step on it!
Whee! Look at me go!
Crusher made it to the bottom!
Well, at least I can finally relax. That rain cloud's too little. It can't make enough rain for me. I need a great big rain cloud that can make lots of rain.
Oh, okay, sure. But, where are you gonna find a big cloud like that?
Oh, just you watch. I'll make a giant robo-cloud. It's perfect. This big boy will make lots of rain for me. All right, robo-cloud, let's rain. I can't wait to cool off under some nice cold waffles.
Which friend do you think is next? Let's turn that handle.
Green means go.
It's Rocky, the Eco Pup.
Incoming.
Green means go.
Whoa.
Wow, did you see that? He is rocking these gumball spinners.
Yeah. Awesome.
And he made it to the bottom.
Don't lose it. Reuse it. Careful, Melon. find it.
Huh?
With my metal detector.
Are you sure, Rocky? You'll have to swim and get wet.
If getting wet will help that baby octopus get back to his mom, I can do it.
That's my Sea Patrol pup. I saw the rattle land around here.
Okay, I can do this.
Ruff.
Metal detector. You found it! You're amazing! Hey, it's just water.
Give it a turn. Which friend do you think is next?
Hello.
Fantastic! It's your Bubble Guppy friend, Nani.
Cool.
Swimming down the gumball slides. Floating over the spinners.
Uh-oh.
Swimsational!
That was a close one.
This is incredible! Fantastic!
Here we are. Thanks for your help. Uh-oh. It looks like we're being followed. I'd better call Mr. G.
Please hold for Mr. G.
Hello, Mr. G. We delivered the first 3 important messages, but then Agents Maui, Zuli, and Gil disappeared. And now we're being followed. Followed?
You'd better get away from them fast. It's very important that you deliver the rest of the messages before sunset.
Use your bow tie. Understood. Hang on, Bubble Puppy.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to the Nick Jr. YouTube channel for new videos every day and find more of your favorite shows on TV on Nickelodeon and the Nick Jr. channel.